All right, so I promise you this video is going to blow your mind. Trust me, it's going to blow your mind by the time you're done. This was one of the things we were never taught when we were much younger and we were learning quadratic expression. Now, so we have here, we want to learn how to factorize these two quadratic expressions using a very fun and engaging method. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to first of all draw a box here. Now, by the time I draw this box now this x square and 6, I'm going to put them in this leading diagonal. We have two diagonals in this context. We have this diagonal, and we have this diagonal as well. But we are going to be dealing with the first one. Now, if you notice, x squared times 6 is obviously going to give us 6x squared. Now, what I want to do next is I want to look for factors of 6x squared that is also going to give me 5. So the shortest way to do that is just look for factors of 6 that can also give me 5. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 5. But quickly, I want to use 2x and 3x. So you see that 2x and 3x is going to give me what? Positive 5x. But at the same time, if you multiply these two, this diagonal is going to give you 6x squared. You multiply this as well, it's going to give you 6x squared. So the next thing I just want to do is, now on this first diagonal here, you notice if we look for the GCD, that's the greatest common divisor here. It's going to be x. You bring it out. Plus, if you check what is going to be common between 2x and 6 as well, that's going to be 2. That's beautifully done. Then this first row again, if you check what is common between x squared and 2x, that's going to be x. And if you check the second one between 3x and 6, what is common is going to be 3. It means the factorization is going to be x plus 3 and x plus 2. Very simple. And we are going to apply the same quick trick here without necessarily having to do too much of explanation. So straight up, you put your 2x squared here and we put our 6 here. You know, by the time we multiply 2x squared and 6, that's going to give us 12x squared. The factors of 12 that can give me 7 is going to be 4 and 3, but you include your x because what we need is something that will give us x squared. And 3x plus 4x is going to give me 7x. So straight up, I can say what is common here between 2x squared and 3x is going to be x, plus what is common between 4x and 6 is going to be 2. I come to this first row again. What is going to be common between 2x squared and 4x is going to be 2x. And what is going to be common between 3x and 6 is going to be 3. So I can say the factorization is x plus 2 and 2x plus 3. And that is the easiest way to factorize quadratic expression, I mean. Thank you for joining. Do like, share, and follow for more. God bless you.